The easy download re-upload method to make over $100 per day online. This is a very powerful method. Let's get it. Let's dive into this video. By the way, guys, I've got more methods for you guys, only a few more methods to add here that are regarding promoting these offers like the money accelerator and the money generator. And if you guys do all these different methods, you're going to have a full-time income that's very big amount of money. Like you can make way more than 10 grand a month if you do everything I'm saying in these training videos step by step. I'm telling you right now, these are free training videos. You're going to crush it. I already have multiple affiliates crushing it. And a lot of the affiliates, most people, they're just re-uploading videos to YouTube and getting sales. But if you re-upload to TikTok, that's one thing that can get you sales. If you do your own personal brand and grow your own content and make your own original content, that's one of the best things you could do. And there's so many other methods, guys. So watch all the trainings. Link is in the description to the playlist on YouTube. And you guys are going to freaking crush it. Let's go. Step 1 is make a YouTube channel. Step 2 is promote my top offer, get 50% recurring commissions. Freaking crush it. Step 3 is download all my videos right here. It's inside the Google Drive. I give you a link down in the description down below. You can re-upload all these videos. You can re-upload them and edit them to be even better. Upload them to YouTube, TikTok, re-upload them to Rumble, re-upload them to any platform you want. And I'm always adding new content into this for you guys, and it's going to get serious very soon. I'm going to start making like really good content. That's really long videos you can cut up and just start crushing it, guys. I'm going to make super good content, so stay tuned for that. Step number 4 is a pro tip, and from my experience, if you make quality thumbnails and titles and you really edit videos to be even better, you're going to see a ton of success with this. This is what top affiliates do. Step 5, and this is another pro tip, is you can also combine videos together. If you combine videos together and make videos over 30 minutes or an hour long, that's very powerful because it gets a lot of watch time. It also has people spend more time with you, and it just equals more sales because people want even more value. There's a lot of psychology behind this, but you got to trust me. Like, this is from firsthand experience and my top mentors. Long videos make racks. All right, step number 6. This is another pro tip. After you've uploaded all my videos or other videos in different niches you want to do and promote offers, then you can download more Creative Commons videos on YouTube and edit them way better, and then combine them to make like super really great videos that are like really long videos giving a ton of value to people. Edit them really well, get rid of any dull moments, any moments that don't need to be there, and just have a video that's super value packed for whatever niche you want to do, like make money online or affiliate marketing or any other niche outside of that. You guys can seriously crush it. Just like promote affiliate offers, make great videos, upload great videos consistently. And if you upload videos on multiple different platforms too, that's very powerful, but you only need one platform to make like millions of dollars online. And I think YouTube's one of the best for sure, from my experience, but TikTok's very powerful as well. And it's growing and growing and growing right now as we speak. Now, step number 7 is as you get sales, then make videos showing your results and then tell people the money accelerator is how you're doing this. And then people will buy like crazy. So you're just showing like you're making money online. Then you tell people how they can make money online. And then people just buy like crazy, guys. I'm telling you right now. And then the only other element to that to make it do even better is try to make those type of videos go viral. Try to have a good hook in the beginning of your videos. Maybe do something entertaining in your videos. Maybe add clips of entertaining content into your videos where you're like sharing your results and talking about the offer you're promoting. And then people will buy like crazy. More people will watch, which equals more sales for you. And it's just so powerful to do that, guys. So as you get results online, or you even show any past results you've had online, that's a good way you can get started too. And you guys are going to see a lot of sales from this. This works. This is psychology 101 right here to making money. Now, step 8 is you will start eventually making over $10,000 per month from only 200 sales of the Money Accelerator, where you earn $50 recurring commissions. And then you could start doing lifestyle content if you choose. Most people only need 10 grand a month unless their bills are super high, okay? And then you guys can make lifestyle content, just live your life, share your results, give advice, make content, and you can absolutely crush it and even grow your income to be even higher than that. And so that's step 8 right there. Hope you guys like this training. You can make way more than $100 a day doing this training, and follow this step by step. You're going to start getting results online. I wish someone made this video for me when I was younger, because I could have like gotten started with YouTube, one of the best platforms to make money online. And then I'd start making content, building a lot of momentum and learning from a younger age, and starting to see results and sales and affiliate marketing commissions, and I would have been so much further ahead back then. I would have been way further ahead in life. I'm telling you right now, if someone made a video like this, whoo, crazy. So you're lucky you found a video like this that's step by step, literally telling you how you can make money online. If you haven't made any money online, follow this step by step. All you have to do is re-upload videos, try to edit them to be better, watch different tutorials how to edit. It's so easy, it's crazy. It's like a very powerful skill in today's world. Or you can pay people to edit videos for you, and then you can just upload videos after that. And that's a really powerful tip right there. So hopefully you like this training, and peace out, learning machines. Peace.